Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're opening Notion on your phone and going straight to the profile area, no prep needed. Sign in if required, then tap the top left avatar or initials to access profile settings. Once there, tap Edit or Change Photo to begin. If you see multiple workspaces, make sure you've selected the correct one. The profile image is workspace specific. This first step gets you ready to choose an image from your camera, camera roll, or a file picker. Now choose how you'll supply the image. Tap Camera to snap a new picture or photo library to pick one you already have. If your picture is in cloud storage, choose Files and navigate to iCloud or Google Drive. Once you've selected an image, Notion shows a circular crop preview. Use pinch and drag to position and zoom. Make sure the face or logo is centered, because Notion crops to a circle. When it looks right, tap Save or Done to apply it. Finish by tapping Save or Done and watch the upload spinner. Do not navigate away until it completes. Once done, reopen your workspace or check another device to verify the new avatar appears. If you don't see the change, make sure Notion has photo and file permissions, your connection is stable, and the image file size is reasonable. Reduce resolution if needed. If problems persist, clear app cache or reinstall the app. Then repeat the upload process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.